Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 11 of the hearing list, since the conducting counsel is in bereavement, Your Lordship. I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 6.
In disposition of the learned counsel for the said respondent, the prayer not being objected to by petitioner, matters adjourned. This is the after 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship.
No, 2 weeks.
Lordship, appear for 2 weeks accommodation, Your Lordship.
Is the convict now in custody?
Yes,
He has reported back to the district prison
yes, Your Lordship.
on pre-made by the appellant. This is matter up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Plums supplementary course list, item number 1.
My lord, this is an application for bail in NDPS case.
Your Lordship, before my learned senior counsel give his submission, Your Lordship, I pray if this matter may be taken up at the end of the vote, Your Lordship.
End of the vote.
Item number 2.
Yes.
Lordship, I have filed an application for impleading me as a respondent. I have also enclosed no objection certificates of the legal ayers, Lordship, so as to enable me to implead as a respondent.
We'll cause a show cause. Cause an objection to this, my lord. We'll cause an objection to this, my lord. File an objection.
My lord,
We'll just receive the copy and we'll see.
Ms. P. Urshari, learned counsel, has submitted that an application analogous to Order 1, Rule 10, under bracket 2 of the Code of Civil Procedure has been filed, coupled with an application for also incorporating and prayer for the order dated 25/7/2023 passed by this court to be vacated has been filed by the applicant herein. The respondents have received notice. The respective respondents have received notice, and as such, no formal notice is required to be issued. Mr. Estapa, appearing for the respondent number 2, has, however, submitted that the respondent may be allowed to file an objection to this petition. On premiere, seems out, let such objection be filed within the next date fix. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Daily list, item number
Can you
1.
from this case,
Your Lordship, in this case also, I would pray for some time, Your Lordship, since the
What is required here?
Nothing is required. They have raised an objection with regard to the maintainability of the petition. They inform me that there's a bereavement in Mr. Kirim's family,
Or the matters to be heard?
Lordship, on the issue of maintainability.
Accommodation has been sought for by the respondent number 7 on a ground of bereavement in the family of their conducting counsel. The prayer not be objected to. Matters adjourned. Let's the same after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Item number 2.
Similar matter, Lordship.
Same order.
Item number 3.
oblige, Your Lordship. What?
Your force? APSC.
State file, Your Lordship.
Petitioner?
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. I'm praying that we will be filing a rejoinder affidavit against the state in the course of the day.
That you can do. The MPSC has also yet to file their.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Ms. Letter Counsel, appearing for the respondent MPSC, has submitted that the counter affidavit could not be filed today and has sought for some more time for the same to be filed. Ms. Letter Counsel for the petitioner has in the meantime submitted that the rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavit filed by the state respondent may be allowed to be filed. Pray allowed. This is matter after 3 weeks.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Item number 4 and 5 has already been argued, Lordship, because item number 4 and 5, now it is the turn for the private respondent. Twice we have argued item number 4 and 5, Lordship.
4 and 5 already argued?
Yes, because here we have already, our submission is that the section 9 of the Meghalaya Education Act was not followed, Lordship. The prior approval has to be sought, but that was not done. Item number 4 and 5.
Your Lordship, you're praying that the petitioner may submit the arguments like on behalf of all the writ petition and will give a common reply to all the writ petition.
You are appearing for all?
Yes, Lordship.
How many matters are there?
All to the 7, Lordship.
7.
7.
So you have finished with 4 and 5.
4 and 5 we have.
So now what is left?
7, 8,
So
9.
6 onwards.
6 onwards.
No, we'll same.
6 to 10, Lordship.
6.
Because item number 4 and 5, we have raised the issue that approval was not set.
Okay,
Then item number 6 and 7, Lordship. In item number 6 and 7,
similar.
it is not similar, that termination has already been set aside by the director, Lordship. Because the no show cause notice was given on the ground, the director has set aside the termination.
So you have come before this court for what?
For release of the salary.
Release of salary.
Yes. Then item number 8, Lordship. 8 against termination, Lordship.
As far as 6 and 7 is concerned, release of salary by the managing committee or by
No,
the
my
state?
lord, now that from the state, Lordship now. Now, although the salary has been received by the managing committee, but since they are not distributing the salary, because that was the issue.
So
Yes.
now
For a 7 per year, Your Lordship. For a 7 per year.
so the managing committee is to be directed to release the salary,
Release the salary, Lordship.
not
Yes.
the state.
Not the state.
Who is appearing for managing committee?
Same council, Lordship.
You are appearing?
Mr. Angrisu, Shangraisu, Your Lordship.
Then
He's not here.
if my friend is saying that we'll conclude the hearing first, then on the next day we'll conclude for my side,
Why
Lordship.
next day?
No, Lordship, we were of the view that because item number 4 and 5 they will respond. Earlier they have responded. Earlier also they have responded item number 4 and 5 on the first time when the matter was heard. They have responded item number 4 and 5. Now again the matter was heard from our side. We are of the view that they will respond. Then we can go for the next second slot, Lordship.
That is not. You see, that argument will not hold any
Yes, Lordship.
ground because you are the conducting counsel.
Yes.
Yeah, the brief is with you. You are well aware of the facts, circumstances. So if you are called upon to, state your case, so do it. As far as 4 and 5 is concerned, you have done.
Yes.
Concluded. Fine.
Yes, Lordship.
Let them now prayers be made that they will make a common.
Then Lordship kindly accommodate us. Then on the next day we'll complete. We'll all the matters will. Because facts will be the similar, Lordship. Only the facts, same documents, we are relying the same documents. Because the allegation against all the teachers were the same. And we have, all the teachers have filed a joint complaint. The
2018 matter.
Yes, Lordship. On the next day, then we will complete our.
Amit, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, maybe my friend has not. Lordship, read petition number 470 of 2018. That is Abdul Martin Akon. Item number 6, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This relief, same relief has been claimed in read petition number 471, Your Lordship. That is Sopiqul Islam. So the issue are same, Your Lordship. Then, Your Lordship, in read petition number 480 also same, Your Lordship. Then in 481.
Yes,
petition
that's what he
481.
said. That's what he
Lordship,
said.
yes.
See, as far as we go by the cost list.
Lordship, yes.
As far as item 6 and 7 is concerned,
yes,
he said they are same, in a sense that
except 479, Your Lordship.
that
479 is
then come later.
different, Your Lordship. Yes, and different footing. Your
that will
Lordship,
come
yes.
later.
Lordship, yes.
But as far as these two are concerned, they are for release of their salary.
Lordship, for a certain period, not as submitted by him that now, Your Lordship. For a certain period, that is from the year 2013 to January 2014 and 16. Your Lordship.
So that will be looked into.
Then we'll conclude on the next day, Lordship.
Mr. Seshik, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he is not prepared for the hearing today and has prayed for accommodation in this matter. Accordingly, that is adjourned. It is, however, made clear that no further adjournment will be allowed. Unnecessary order shall be passed. So, no further adjournment. This matter on 23rd April.
Apply, Your Lordship.
So that is till 10.
Lordship, yes. I'm from 6 to 10, Your Lordship.
Item number 13.
I'll make a shot, Your Lordship, for easy reference of the Honorable Kun. We'll make a shot, Your Lordship. Apply, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Next week.
This is a little lengthy matter, my lord. The Lordship would like to hear, or after we come back.
It's not that I would like to hear. I'm compelled to hear. It's for you to decide. It's your case.
But may I pray for after 2 weeks only?
What is
2 weeks is too long. Well, it's pending for a really long time. We can have it next week and dispose of it.
Next week, I think bench is not available.
So the week after that.
2 weeks then. On pray made by the parties, this is matter to 2 weeks. This is what is this matter about?
We had filed against the suit. We had filed an application for rejection of the plaint.
Okay.
So that was our application was rejected. So against that, we are before this court.
Order 7 rule.
Lordship. Deep.
Second call from supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this is the bail application for two accused persons, Sujit Kumar Rai and Vicky Kumar, who were arrested by the custom on 24/5/2023. Your Lordship, this Vicky Kumar, he was driving at that point of time a local taxi, and since it was night, he asked.
Mr. Pandit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There are two petitioners.
Petitioner is the brother of both the accused.
Oh, brother, whatever.
Yes.
He has filed an application on behalf of two accused persons. Is that proper? Or should you file a separate application for each? Only
Yes.
if it relates to a common order.
Yes, sir.
Or
because common order was passed rejecting the bail application. Of course, the bail application, two bail application was filed for both the accused person, different bail application, but order was passed for both the accused person. It is in page number 25.
you see, because if an order is to be passed, it will be a composite order.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Now, if suppose we're just hypothetically speaking, if one one accused is given bail and the other is not,
yes, Your Lordship.
How will the order look?
Yes. Maybe one accused is entitled for bail, other may not.
Yes. Withdraw and file a fresh one tomorrow.
Withdraw and file a fresh one.
Separate application.
Mr. Pandit, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that he may be allowed to withdraw this petition with liberty to file a fresh application. On premade, the same law.
My lord, the petitioners can be same for both the accused.
Yes, that's for you. That's for you. Yes. Last line. On premade, the same law. Petition is disposed of as withdrawn with liberty sought for granted.
Deep.